Good morning. Talk about zinnias and how to take a flower that looks like this when it's gorgeous and in bloom, and then deadheading once it dies like this, and turning it into hundreds upon hundreds of beautiful flowers next year. So all you do is you cut off the dead head on your plant. Don't worry about the extra petals. Those will go ahead and fall off and they'll decompose in your soil next year. And you basically just crumble them and they become seeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish deadheading the rest of these, and then I'll show you guys the seeds up close. So zinnias are super hardy. They are gorgeous. They range in color and in size. I actually bought some peach ones for next year. I got these from Fruition Seeds. So you want to make sure that as you are drying out these seeds for next year, these grow up to 3 feet tall. You want to sow them about a little over a foot apart to give them room to go ahead and grow. And they only take 75 days to bloom, and you will get multiple blooms on them. So hang tight. I'm going to finish deadheading these, and then we'll talk a little bit more in a minute. So that's it today for our zinnias. You can pack them in little packs like this that fold over. I recently went ahead and got these ones with a little window. I'm gonna decorate them so they're super cute. But just those few blooms that we went ahead and deadheaded today, we got all of these seeds off of. I hope that you guys go ahead and deadhead your zinnias so you have beautiful flowers for next year. They're great for our pollinators. We definitely need these to not only pollinate our flowers to make honey, but to pollinate our crops. Without bees, we have no food, you guys. So make sure that you're planting those beautiful flowers along with your crops outside so that we can help those pollinators and have gorgeous gardens. So that's it from us today, you guys. Sow seeds of love and life and in the garden too. And thanks for coming to the homestead today. Bye.